Welcome back to our A1 English series. Last time we covered the present simple with non-to-be verbs. Today we'll delve into how to form the present simple tense using the verb to be. By the end of this video, you'll confidently use the present simple with the verb to be. Now let's get started. Before we proceed, let's quickly clarify what the verb to be is. In the present simple, to be is a linking verb. When functioning as a main verb, it changes form depending on the subject. It has three forms: am, is, and are. We'll examine how these forms correspond to different subjects. Let's begin with the affirmative form, also known as positive. Let's analyze the following examples together. Notice the first word in each sentence? That's the subject. It's followed by to be, am, is, are, and then by a complement, which can be a noun phrase, adjective, or prepositional phrase. The structure is subject plus to be plus complement. Just make sure the form of to be matches the subject like you saw on the slide. Now let's move on to forming the negative with the verb to be. Consider these examples. Do you notice the additional word? What is it? Yes, it is the word not. From these examples, we can see that to create a negative sentence, we simply add not after the verb to be. Remember, you can use the contracted forms aren't for are not and isn't for is not. However, there is no contraction for am not. We've covered the negative form. Now let's move on to questions. In questions, the word order changes a bit. Take a look at these examples. Notice anything? Yep, the verb to be comes before the subject. So the structure is am, is, are, plus subject, plus complement. These are called yes-no questions because they only need a simple yes or no. You don't have to repeat the full sentence. Just answer using the same format with different subjects. Here's a summary table. We've now covered all present simple sentence forms with to be. You should have a clearer idea of how these differ from other verbs. To aid your understanding of using the verb to be in the present simple, this second part will briefly cover the three main rules for using to be. That's it for today's lesson on the present simple with to be. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.